Alright, so we're showing the diploid stage of the liverwort, the sporophyte. And so this develops within the tissues of the female gametophyte, within the archegoniophore. So, that was our umbrella structure for that archegoniophore. And so that would be haploid, part of the gametophyte. And then we have, if you remember, the archegonia tissue is going to be called the calyptra. So that's kind of a jacket over our developing sporophyte. And the sporophyte is kind of this club-like shape that hangs down from the archegoniophore, and within the bulb area we're going to have the spores develop. The sterile jacket and everything here, that's all part of the sporophyte, that entire structure. It is diploid. Parts of the sporophyte include the seta, that's diploid, and this bag of sterile cells here, the sporangium. And that is diploid. Within the sporangium, meiosis occurs to produce spores, and the spores will eventually be dispersed, released and dispersed, and they are once again haploid. So I'm going to do some color. Alright, so I've put some color in, and we've identified everything here. And we just want to make sure that, the haploid is anything that was the gametophyte. The diploid is only part of the sporophyte. So the foot, the seta, and the sporangium. Even within, after meiosis, all of those spores are haploid.